Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have the square root of 51 to the power of 3 plus 68 to the power of 3 plus 85 to the power of 3. So for us to begin, let's split these numbers into two. To have 51 as 17 times 3 further raised to the power of 3 plus we have 68 as 17 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 17 times 5 further raised to the power of 3. And remember, this is square root. So from here, when we have a times b all to the power of 3, this is the same as a to the power of 3 times b to the power of 3. So we have the square root of 17 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 plus 17 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 17 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. So from this we can notice that 17 to the power of 3 is common here. So we have this here, we have it here, and we have 17 to the power of 3 here. So let's factor 17 to the power of 3. We have 3 to the power of 3 here, plus 4 to the power of 3, plus 5 to the power of 3. Our 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. And our 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. And we have 5 to the power of 3 to be equal to 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. So we'll be replacing this index with these numbers to have 17 to the power of 3 times our 3 to the power of 3 becomes 27 plus 64 plus 125. So this is square root. The square root of 17 to the power of 3, and when we add this up, 27 plus 64 plus 125, we have 216. So we have the square root of 17 to the power of 3 times 216. But when we rewrite 216 in index form, by 2 we have 108, divided by 2 we have 54, divided by 2 we have 27, divided by 3 we have 9, divided by 3 we have 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have 1, 2, 3, so 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3. Multiplying this is equal to 6 to the power of 3. So we have 6 to the power of 3. So our root 17, we have root 17 to the power of 3 times our 216 is 6 to the power of 3. So we have 6 to the power of 3. So from here, we can split these powers to have the square root of 17 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 6 to the power of 2 plus 1. So this will give us the square root of, we have 17 to the power of 2 times 17 to the power of 1 times 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of 1. But when we have the square root of AB, this is the same as root A times root b. So this will become root 17 to the power of 2 times root 17 times root 6 to the power of 2 times root 6. So this will cancel this. We have 17 times root 17 times this will cancel this. We have 6 times root 6. So multiplying these two together, we have 17 times 6 root, we have 17 times 6. So this will give us 17 times 6 is 102. So we have 102 root 102. So our final answer is 102 root 102. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.